Welcome. In front of me is HP ELITEBOOK 855, and in this video I will show you how to install Windows from USB on this laptop. So since I know that you might not be able to prepare your ISO image for Windows 11 on your laptop, since you probably either don't have the access to your Windows, or you don't have the or you simply don't have the operational system on your laptop yet. Therefore, I'm gonna use another device to prepare an ISO image for you. But basically what you need to have for the process is the internet connection, at least on your other device, so other computer or laptop, and the USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of storage. Okay, so let me begin. I'm gonna start with preparing an ISO image, so let me switch to another PC. So first, insert your USB flash drive into the into this device, and let's begin with downloading the ISO image. So what you have to do is open the web browser and search for Windows 11 or Win11 ISO. Now go to the Microsoft website. Make sure that it's an official Microsoft.com website. Now scroll to the very bottom of it. Select the Windows 11 Multi-Edition right here. Then click Confirm. Then let's wait until Microsoft validates our request. Usually takes a couple of seconds. Okay, now let's choose the product language from the list. Then click Confirm and wait again. And then let's download this Windows. Okay, and while it downloads, let's also download a program for creating ISO images, for making bootable USB flash drives. So look up Rufus program in your browser. Now open the official rufus.ie website, and on this website either select this option right here, or if it doesn't run on your PC, then go with the x84, this one right here. So download this version, then open the program, and if it runs on your PC, that's fine. You can click No right here. Okay, right here you have to select your USB flash drive, and once your ISO image downloads, just click Select right here. Then select the downloaded ISO image, and right now you basically don't have to do anything right here on the list. Just click Start. You can uncheck these checkboxes, we are not gonna need them too. Click OK, then click OK again. Now be aware that after you click OK, everything, your USB flash drive will be formatted. So if you have something on it, then first back it up on your PC. Then click OK when you're ready. And then all we have to do is wait until it says ready right here on the status bar. So let's wait a while. Okay, and when it says ready on the status bar, you can simply close the program. Now you can check if your USB flash drive looks like this in the file explorer. And if everything is right, then you can safely eject the flash drive and we can continue with the laptop. Okay, now insert your USB flash drive into the laptop and turn it on by pressing the power button. And once you turn it on, start repeatedly pressing the F9 key. So press power button to turn it on and then repeatedly press the F9 key until you see the boot menu on your screen. Okay, and right now select the using arrow keys of your device, select the USB that you're using on which you installed the ISO image. In my case it's this one, and once you select it using your down and up arrow keys, press enter to confirm. Now the very important thing right now is that you have to connect your laptop to the power source in order to make everything right. Otherwise you may also as well break your laptop in the process. So make sure that your laptop is connected to the power source, then select the USB flash drive and wait a while until it boots up. Now once you see this screen, you can use your touchpad in this menu. So select you cannot select language since you selected it before the installation, but you can select the time and currency format if you want by expanding this list and selecting the one that fits you. Then click next. Then you can select the keyboard or input method, but I highly recommend you using the English keyboard. Then click next, then agree that everything will be deleted and click next again. Now let's wait for a while, and now we're gonna have to read and accept the user agreement in order to proceed with the process. Click next, then wait, and on the following menu we'll have to remove the disks that are currently set up on this PC. So if as you can see, there are 4 partitions in my case. I'm not sure how many there are in your case, but what you have to do with each of these partitions that come before your USB flash drive, which in my case is here, you have to delete each partition that you have by selecting each one of them and selecting delete partition, then waiting a while. And as you can see, partition becomes unallocated space, so we're gonna have to do the same thing with the next 3 partitions. Okay, so select each one and delete. Okay, and as you can see right now we got disk 0 unallocated space with total size of 476 gigabytes. Now if you want to create a separate disk on your laptop that will not be the system, aka the C disk, if you want to have a separate disk for your files, then you have to select this unallocated space, then select create partition, and then select the size, put the size in the megabytes. So 1 gigabyte is 1000 megabytes. So basically what you have to do is input the size of your new disk, and now make sure that if you are creating this separate disk, that you gotta have at least 100 gigabytes of unallocated space for your Windows to work properly, because we're gonna have the system disk installed onto this unallocated space. So make sure that you that the value that you input here will still give you 100 gigabyte of total size for your of unallocated space. So for example, so I think that the maximum value that we can input here is this much. Otherwise your system will work improperly once you install the Windows. Okay, so basically once you decided on the size of your separate disk, click apply and then proceed by selecting unallocated space. I'm gonna cancel it because I'm not gonna need a separate partition. Okay, so select unallocated space, then click next. Then click install and wait until the Windows is installed. Okay, and at this point the installation process is complete. So right now you only have to set up your PC, and if you wonder how to do that, you can check the entire video on our channel, which will explain to you everything step by step. So for this video, I hope that it really helped. I really hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.